In this video, I'm going to talk about how to document your planning for your SAA projects on ManageBack. If you need to be reminded about investigating or how to create a reflection, you can do that by looking at the video that was posted on the 23rd, this post here. So how you're going to document your planning on ManageBack is you will, following the same steps as before, add a reflection to your project proposal. And you're going to try to create 1 or 2 reflection posts in which you are planning for your activity. You should include all of these steps here in your planning reflection post. So like I said, it doesn't matter if you do 1 or 2 reflection posts for planning, you should just have all of this information, okay? So you should outline the steps that your group needs to take to finish the activity. This could be in list form, but you need to be able to say what each member of your group is going to do and the relative order that they'll do it in. Okay, so you need to coordinate with each other, decide what everyone's going to do, and the steps that you all need to take in order to complete your project. So this will be the planning stage. Then you need to describe the role of each member of the group. So this will be in a sentence form. And so that means that you'll say, you'll give a few sentences saying what each of you will do, what each of you is in charge of. You need to talk to both me or Mr. Brad, to me and Mr. Brad, about this specifically. So you need to get us to agree to the roles that you've chosen just to make sure that everybody is fairly taking part in the assignment. So please contact us as you're deciding roles. You can email us or maybe we can meet on Google Meet, but you need to contact us and we will set up a way to discuss and designate which one of you will, or the different roles that your group members will take. You also need to be sure that you list any materials or tools that you might need to complete the activity. So if you need a certain type of camera, or you need books, or you need paints, or whatever it is, or any digital tools like a video editor or some sort of online resource, that's fine. You just have to be able to list all of the tools and materials that you're going to need to complete the activity. So in your planning reflections, you should make sure that you outline all the steps that your group needs to take to finish the activity. Make a list form with complete sentences. You need to describe the roles of each group member. You need to get me and Mr. Brad to agree to the different roles to make sure that they're fair. And you need to be sure that you list any materials or tools that you're going to need to complete the activity. So that will count as your planning reflection. And again, you will upload that on ManageBack. This needs to be finished before the 14th of May. Okay, this must be finished before the 14th of May.